What is up, everyone? It is me, Amay. Today we are unboxing these two Hot Wheels cars. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels V-Color of new for 2024 is Hot Wheels Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar with blue and gold wheels from SW Turbo 3.5 with 123 out of 250. Born 2023, Detroit, Michigan. Designer, Cadillac. Behold the Cadillac of the future. Sporting an all-new 5.5-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor. This sleek and beautiful speeder is a stealth fighter disguised as a hypercar. Crank up the boost. These turbocharged machines deliver maximum horsepower. There's a Cadillac trademark and General Motors trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail. Passenger side with gold wheels, rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. And the code says T23. That's the code. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels Honda S800 Racing, a new for 2024 from SW Race Day 1010 with 209 out of 250 with leather and white and red. Born 1966, Japan. Designer Honda. Grab the wheel and become as part of Japanese motoring history with the legendary processor to the Honda S2000. This racing icon features a roller-bearing crankshaft and an 800cc engine revved to nearly 11,000 RPM. There's a Honda trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail. Passenger side with number 25, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says T27. That's the code. Okay? Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.